Are you thinking about scaling your business? Before you take the leap, here's a few financial signs that you just cannot ignore. Follow my video and I'll explain more. Hi, I'm Michael from MDH Accountants. If you like this video, click subscribe now and you'll be notified of all our tips, tax saving tips, and also business growth advice. Scaling. Without the right financial foundation, this can be even more riskier than standing still. Follow my video and I'll explain more. You need to have strong, consistent cash flow. And if you haven't, this could be a massive red flag within your business that you need to sort out before you even consider scaling. So currently within your business, how is your cash flow on a regular basis? And I get sometimes you can have seasonal variations and that is okay. But what is your cash flow like? Do you have a really good understanding of it at the minute? Or is there a red flag that you need to go and explore? Because scaling could be even more dangerous. Healthy profit margins, because normally more sales does not always equal more profit. So what are your current margins within your business? And I'm talking gross and I'm talking net margin. And are you falling into the trap also where you are discounting your product? Because if you pour more sales onto this, you may not actually get more profit until you fix what you've currently got at the moment. Profitability across your products and or services. Do you know what your income is per service or product line? And do you know what your GP is per service or profit line too? Because this could be really key. You may have some services or products that are just rubbish. They may be good, but they are not making you any money and they are costing your business. So if you're looking to scale, you would want to scale your product or services that are making the most money, because that will have the biggest impact on your bottom line, which is, let's be honest, this is why you are in business. Clear cost control and efficiency. Now, I'm not looking just to cut, because what you want to do is you want to make sure that them costs that you're spending on provide value to your business. And that could be direct costs and it could also be overheads that are there to support your business. So do you have a really thorough understanding of what costs that you need to run your business to the value that you want to get into? And have you got some costs that are going through your business that are just a load of rubbish? Because what you want to do first is have a look at getting rid of all of the waste now before you then put more overheads, more direct costs and more sales on top, because if not, you are going to be burning profitability. Everything about your customers. So when I say everything, I mean everything. So do you know your average customer lifetime value? So when a customer first walks through the door that then leaves you and doesn't buy again, do you know how big that value is? And even better, do you know the products or services that you can sell to them and how frequently you can sell to them, so you are maximizing this opportunity? I'm not talking about just for ripping them off and conning them. I'm talking about providing them value where they still walk away and they go, your business is brilliant, because that way that would help for a massive series of referrals. So from all the way you've got suspect, which is someone that you don't know, to all the way to the end of the customer journey, do you know everything about that customers, that what makes you tick? Because once you do that and you are selling more stuff to your current customers, you will probably need to concentrate less on new customer acquisition. Or even better, if you want to scale faster, if you are getting the most out of your current customer base that you know, and you acquire even more customers, that will allow for some massive super growth. So what do you know about your customers? Or even better, what do you still need to know, and what information do you need that will allow you to understand your customers better? Hope this video's really helped. And I get, as a small business owner, this can be quite overwhelming, where you go, I just don't know how to get hold of this stuff. Well, let us help you. So if you drop us a message below, a DM, or drop me an email at michael@mdh.me.uk, we will run this analysis for you on your business, and we will do this as an initial gift for you. And if you want a follow-up meeting, which I strongly suggest, I will discount this meeting by 50% if you refer back to this video. Now, a lot of small business owners as well are looking to grow too. So there are 7 key business drivers that will allow your business to absolutely thrive. So we've got a specific course called the Business Owners Masterclass that will go through each of these steps with you with a real life example. Click the link below.